Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back. Well, as you guys can see, I'm down by the river. You know what that means. It's time to go catch some smallies. So got about 2.5 3 hours to fish, and I'm gonna get out here on the Rivanna River and I'm gonna see if I can catch me some more smallies. Been crushing them out here lately, been having a great time. Probably my favorite fish to fish for. And yeah, we're just gonna get out here. We're gonna paddle upstream a little bit. We're gonna paddle upstream a little bit, and we're gonna see what we can catch. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm throwing the Slim Swim, and this is a new chartreuse color that I got. The river's a little muddy, so I figured I'd give this a whirl today. See what we can get. See if they might be interested. I also have my regular deal one put on there. Just wanted to try something different. See if they might be interested. Oh, there's one. Well, he's not a he's not a dang smallmouth, but he's a fish. Look at that little dude. He's actually pretty though. Alright guys, cool little river fish. We'll put him back. Okay, bud. At least I didn't get skunked today. Well guys, he's not the target species, but he's at least a fish. And I'll take it. Alright, so far I got one little river perch. No smallies. Alright guys, we switched up to the Slim Swim in the deal color. There's a fish. This is I'm picking up my damn paddle. And it's another river perch. What is with these dudes today? Pretty little fish. Two of those today. See you, bud. Man, I cannot believe I haven't caught a smallmouth yet. Where are these little guys? Alright everybody, I switched up to a black Helgerbite, hoping that might create some bites. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm not getting anything on anything else, so. And as soon as we threw it, there's a fish. Oh yeah, this is a smallie for sure. Yeah, come on. Oh, and he got off. Right there in front of me. Bummer. Bummer, bummer, bummer. But it got bit anyway. Bummer, bummer, bummer. Well, at least we got bit. Let's get back out there and see what happens. All right, first cast on the hooker bait. Got bit. Oh! There was a fish. I needed that fish. I need you. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, he's pulling drag too. Oh, that's a good smallie. That's a nice one. Oh, come on. Come here, come here. Oh, he's not ready. Oh, look at him. Ooh, he is not ready to be netted yet. All right, shoo, finally. Finally got one in the net. Whoops. That is what we were looking for. My line is all messed up here. Let's see what we got going here. Look at that, guys. That's what I'm talking about. That is what we are looking for. Man, that's a nice one too. That is a nice smallie. Look at that. Sweet. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. That is what we were looking for. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Amazing looking fish, man. These guys are so awesome looking. Alright, let's get a picture of this guy and let's get him back. Alright guys, we are going to get him back. Just a gorgeous specimen of a smallmouth. Nice fish. Let's get him back and let him go. There you go, bud. He is off. Yes, indeed. Alright, that is what we're looking for. Alright everybody, so caught that smallie on the Slim Swim by Z-Man. This is in the deal color. I've been throwing two different colors, chartreuse one and this one. But this one's the one that just got me that nice smallie. So, and if you guys have been watching my channel and you've seen some of my smallmouth videos, this is like a go-to bait on this Rivanna River. I mean, it just really crushes them. So, check it out. It's on a 1/15 ounce head. Great bait. And I'm fishing my Enigma rod, Enigma reel. HPT 30 reel with my Phenom Titanium Series 7.2 medium action rod, and it's getting it done. Alright guys, we're going to drift down a little bit more. Only have about an hour or so left to fish, but that was worth coming. When you get one like that, you can't complain. You definitely can't complain. That makes your day. Here's one on this side, so let's kind of check ourselves here. See if we can find another one. Maybe he's got a friend. So guys, when I'm floating this river, because it's not super wide, I try to float kind of in the middle so I can cast towards both sides and I can just about reach them. Sometimes at certain sections I have to move over a little bit to get it where I want it, but usually just a little to the left, a little to the right, I can kind of get on what I want. Well, I gotta say, it's been kind of a struggle today. Trying to find fish. I've lost a couple. Only landed one smallie and then two river perch. Not really. What I'm trying to go for. Trying to get the smallies. The smallie jollies. Well, I'm on the struggle bus. Gotta leave. Gotta leave. Gotta leave. Gotta leave. Gotta leave. Stay. Struggle bus? Because I can say a struggle bus. Oh, there's a good fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, did you guys see that jump? Oh, yeah. Where's that cast it? Come on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Stay on, stay on. I needed this. I need you. Come here, bud. Come here. Come on back this way. Come on back this way. Come on back this way. Come on back. Yeah. Helgermite fish. Woo-hoo. All right. He hit it as soon as it landed, man. I was just turning on my GoPro and getting things ready. Bam, there's a nice one. This guy's pretty. Look at that, guys. Another beautiful. Look at that Helgermite. He hammered the Helgermite. I'd like to get a picture of him with that Helgermite in his mouth. Like that. Awesome. Nice smallie. Nice smallie. These guys are such pretty fish, man. Funnest fish to fish for, as far as I'm concerned. Alright, guys. We're going to get him back in the water. Great fight. Fun fish. Thanks for the fight, bud. And he's off. Yeah. Alright, guys. I caught that on this Helgermite right here. So you guys can see. It's a 1/15 ounce jig head from Z-Man, and then these Helgermites are from Big Daddy Bass Custom Baits. And I really like the Helgermite, the bait itself, because it's got great action. And these are in black, and they work really well. The only problem is that they don't last. Like, I get 1 or 2 fish out of them, and then they're done. They're tore up, and then you're having to find something else. So that's the only thing I don't like about them. But we're going to get back out there, and we're going to see if we can get us another fish. That was pretty awesome. Well, everybody, I'm back at the boat ramp. Tough day on the struggle bus today. Caught 2 really nice smallmouth. Caught 2 little river perch. Lost a nice one at the boat. Hooked into 2 others that I didn't land. I ended up losing. Had a couple other bites, but just a real tough day today. I thought it was going to be a great day to fish. It's overcast. It's like 77 degrees outside. It's beautiful. There's a nice breeze. Water feels good. I mean, just thought it was going to be a great day to be out here to fish, and just not getting on them. I mean, the past several weeks I've been out here fishing this river, and I've been hammering them. I mean, they've just been crushing baits. And I've been catching 8 to 10 in a couple hours, man. Just, 8, 10, 12 smallmouth, just having a great time. And today was not that day. I mean, today was not the case. It was a lot different. It was tough. It was definitely tough. I didn't think it was going to be this hard today, but I still had fun. Still caught some fish. Using all kinds of Z-Man stuff, Slim Swim, Trick Shot, the Tickler, yeah, a bunch of Z-Man stuff, and just still had a really good time. It's always nice to be on the river floating and fishing and catching a few smallmouth. So yeah, it's still a lot of fun for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, hit that like button, that subscribe button, that ding dong button, all those good things you got to do for YouTube, and just do yourself a favor. Get out there, get your lines wet, and catch some fish.